Alright, so today I've got a handrail project. I need about 96 feet of handrail. The materials for that was going to be a little over $500 just for your basic rounded pine handrail. I'm going to see if I can save some money by using some 2x4x12, see if we can make a handrail out of that and do it for cheaper. I got the 2x4s, they cost about $54 for what I need. What we're going to do, we're going to start off by ripping the 2x4 down to 2.5 inches. Then we're going to router the edges to get a nice rounded edge so it's comfortable to grab onto. The bottom of the 2x4 has already got a little rounded edge, so we'll just sand that out and make sure it's nice and smooth. That's basically it. Let's see how the project goes. Alright, now we're going to get to routering. For routering, I'm using this Milwaukee 1/2-inch router. It's awesome. Highly recommend it. Like I said, when we start, we're going to router on the edge that we ripped off, so it's the square edge. We're going to save the edge that's already rounded, so we don't have to router all 4 sides. Just have to router the 2 sides. Then we'll give it a nice sand down, make sure no one gets any splinters on it, and then we're going to seal it to make sure it's weather safe. Alright, let's see how it goes. Give you a close-up of the bit we're using here. It's a 1/2-inch round over bit. I set the depth so we're getting just a little bit of a square edge at the bottom of the round over. Should give it a nice little decorative touch. All right, it's looking real good. See the edge here. Very happy with that. Nice size for grabbing onto, very comfortable. All right, so here we go. Got all 8 of them done. So far it's taken just about an hour, maybe a little bit over. They're looking great. Just have to sand them and we're done. That's a wrap. So we made out really well. Got a little labor into it. $54 material plus the labor. We're right at about $200 for the 48 feet of handrail. If I had bought the handrail I was looking at, just the basic round pine handrail, it's going to be $504 just for the materials. So we're already at where those handrails would have been, and I think even a little better. These are definitely more solid, sturdy. I think they look a little nicer. It's got a real nice edge on the top, nice and smooth, comfortable to grab onto. Very happy with how these came out. Saving the customer about $300, and I get to make, you know, a couple hours of labor out of making the handrails. So it's a win for both of us. Love it when that happens. I'm going to go a little further. I'll stain these and seal them, so it'll be good for the elements. I'll show you that when they're finished, but definitely we'll do this again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.